purpose of this video is to show you how to do some basic data analysis with a large set of data using Google Sheets. So what you want to do is first hold your button down on your mouse so you can highlight all this data. Right-click, copy. Then click on the little resource button up here in the corner to access Google Sheets. Go ahead and open it in a new tab. Once it's open, you'll start a blank Google Sheet. Then click on the first box, right-click, paste. So now you have all that data in Google Sheets. So we want to find the mean of the data, the median, the max, the min, and the standard deviation. So it doesn't say sample standard deviation, so we'll assume that it's population standard deviation that we want to find. So we have mean we want to find, median, min, max, and the standard deviation. So click on the box next to the mean, type equals average, because average is the mean, parentheses, and then you can select the data that you want to find the mean of by clicking on the far box and then holding down on your mouse button to highlight all this data. Or you could have also just typed in capital A1 for box A1 colon box G10. That's to go from A1 to G10. So you could type it in as well. Close parentheses, hit enter, and it gives you the mean for this data. And we can check it here. We'll put it in, check our answers when we're done to make sure we got it right. Median, click on the box next to the median, type in equals median, parentheses, data from A1 colon G10. So you can do it that way, close parentheses, or you can highlight the data. Press enter. The median is 39.4. And it's saying round to 2 decimal places. That is probably just if you get more than 1 decimal place. If you end up with several, then you would round it to 2 decimal places. And then for min, type in equals min. See, it says min is for the minimum value in a numeric data set. Parentheses, box A1 to box G10. Parentheses. Hit enter. The min in the data values is 21, which looks about right. If you can actually look and see that 21 is probably the lowest data values in the set. So you get 21 for the min, and then the max. Max is very similar. Type in equals max to get the maximum value. Box A1 to box G10. Close parentheses, hit enter. The max is 58.6. And looking at the data values, that's very likely, since most seem to be in the 30s and 40s. And then for the standard deviation, type in equals stdev.p for population standard deviation. Would be S if we were finding the sample. P for population, box A1 to G10, close parentheses, hit enter. 7.93 if we round to 2 decimal places. But it says 3 decimal places here, so pay close attention to how many places. 7929 would be 3 decimal places. 7.929. And we'll just check our answers. Voila. So that's how we would do this basic data analysis using Google Sheets.